Hello, good morning. It's a frosty and cold morning. It's snowing out currently. Just about to head out. It's about just past 3 a.m. I don't know if you can see, but it's just past 3 a.m. So gonna head out and hopefully the other place will be warmer. We're taking the 710 to Chicago and then we are going to change from there.
Southwestern is left. We would like to welcome you to Los Angeles. Please remain seated. Seatbelt fastened. Seat back and tray tables will have left locked position on your seat on our
From the plane in LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay.
Well, here we are at the Hollywood sign. There's some Egyptian kind of looking thing. I went and shopped at Lexington. We're gonna go see the sign. So you can kind of see the Hollywood sign, but it's quite far still. Here, I will see if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom into it. It's that little white thing on top, beside all those palm trees. Hollywood sign right there. Let me try zooming in. Here is the Hollywood sign, the infamous LA sign. Let you step on this. It's the sound. Hello, it's a beautiful day today. And look outside my hotel. You can see the palm trees. Yeah. Great morning, LA. All along palm trees. Where we're about to go is the ghost town in Calico.
자, 현재 시간 1시
We're at the silver mining where basically that pink calico mountain compared to all the other ones which are yellow apparently has silver in it, so we will go see and tour there. If you look around, there's real horses too. So about 100 years ago they were mining. Now it's deserted and nobody lives here anymore. But we're surrounded by mountains, which is really pretty. Oh, and there's like restaurants, and if you go look down there, there's a bunch of things over there. So it's kind of cool. It's kind of chilly today. We are not in Las Vegas yet, but it's the town of 1881 here. I shall show you. Calico lives again. So this is the ghost town of Calico. It's quite small. 100 years ago, there's Santa Claus over there. It's decorated with cameras and such. If you look at the top, actually, there's the Calico sign. See, that's the mountain that has silver, and before it gets mined, it's pink compared to all the other stores, which is yellow. And then you can see the sheriff's office over there. Sheriff's office, and you can see different places. So this is the blacksmith shop. It's definitely locked, but if you look inside, look, it's so cool. They have a fireplace and all these different things. I wonder if it's 100 years old too. I guess not. Can't be that old. So we're gonna continue going up north. Look, there's a carriage from 100 years ago. It's called, no, it's not called Winter Wonderland, but it's kind of cool. So 100 years ago, they lived at this small little town called Calico, and everything is made of wood. As you can see, we're walking towards the mountain at the very top. There's a mystery shack, a tour, and look, it's Harry Dover who tells fortune. Dun, 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 dun. Let's climb the Silver Mountain. Off to the place we go. Dun 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 dun. There's the Calico sign. Lookout point. Must go to the lookout point and climb hills and this non-existent stairway. See, technically that's the gateway, but we're gonna take this rocky mountain, take a shortcut, and here we go to the lookout point. I'm kind of hot now, actually. It was cold earlier. It's about 10 degrees, I think. Look, this is already a lookout point. Look how the mountains around us. Calico is up there. Ow. Okay. Gotta climb the stairs. Here we go. Here we are at the lookout point. Not as good because the glare. It's really bright here. Focus. So, my mom's telling me to look at this house on top of this mountain. Look, this is really cool. It's like a little hill. This is a house attached to a wall. Let me just go around. Look, it's attached to a mountain.
Oh my god!
And there are mountains all around us. If you look down there, there's a little train. We're gonna walk back down. There's the house against the wall. That glass house. Hi. It's made of glass.
Hi.
It's surrounding. The walls are made of glass wine bottles.
They are wine bottles. From 1950, late 1950s, early 60s.
Look, okay, this is the outside of the wine bottles from the 1950s, she said. The whole place is made of wine bottles. It says Kulo. We just entered the Los Angeles hotel. We're gonna go and see.
4시 35분까지 여기서.
We should see it.
35, 그러니까 35분에 자 앞에 껴보시고.
There's a show that's going on, an opera that's going on, so we're gonna go see the opera. It started just at 4 and it's just past 4, so we're gonna go see it. It's like LA. I mean, this is like in Venice, where you go up the gondola, and you can see the indoor water and the gondola on top, and then there's opera going on over there. You can go and ride the boat. It's an indoor water kind of park. Doing an opera outside. It's just like Venice. Look, you can even take a gondola boat. They even sing for you here, but it's indoors and they have a water park over there. And look, they even painted fake skies to make it look like they're outside. There's an opera going on. Did I say there's an opera going on? There goes the couple. We are now entering the old Las Vegas city. This dome kind of thing that's made of that's with LG, and they want to advertise it and stuff. It's not popular. The store itself isn't, or the brand itself isn't popular as much, but look. LG. This dome lights up after. There's this show by LG that's going on for the next 5 minutes or so, all across lights.
This day we thank all of our members from all over the world, not just through service to this government, for reminding us why America is and always will be the greatest nation on earth. This is the ticket for Nauru. We are at section E, row J, seat 14 at the Wynn Theater. There is this Nauru show. Here we enter. Let's go. Hi.
Section 8 to the right.
Thank you. Here we go. Section E to the right in the theater before my battery dies.
To the right, it's 3 staircases over.
Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. just entered Grand Canyon. Come look. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. 그 사람 또 있네. So we're just at the Grand Canyon. It's really cold here and windy. It's about a lot higher than Los Angeles, and there's definitely snow. Surprisingly, we got here on a really good day. If you can actually see the moon over there, it is right there, that dot. It's cold and windy. Just had a good cold view of the Grand Canyon. I only got to see like the tip of one side. It's huge, and the colors of the rocks, and it's just beautiful here. Let me give you one last look before we go. Can't really see the colors. You can see all the different lines that they have in the rocks. It's really cool. I'm wearing a mitten, so I can't hold this properly. But here's one last look. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 da. Here is the Grand Canyon. Huntington Beach. That's the beach that Ian Ho went to. Dun, 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 dun. There's another sign coming up. Huntington Beach. That's the beach that Ian Ho went to. Good morning. So we have arrived at La Jolla Cove. So as you can see, that is the Pacific Ocean. We're gonna go down that way. There's a little parkway, or I guess a walkway that we will be going. It's quite chilly this morning. It's just before 8. No, it's past 8. It's 8:20. And look at that funky little, I don't know, it's got spikes on it, the tree. I'm gonna go close to it and I'll show you in a bit. What is that? Anyways, we're gonna go down there into that section over there. You can't you can't see it right now, but I want you to hear the sea otters over there. All I see is crows, but we're gonna go see. No, don't listen. Can you hear it? It's going ow, ow, ow. This is the Pacific. Over there. Can you see and swimming? Somewhere over there, I think too. We're gonna go inside this. Let's go in. We're gonna see what's in that hole over there. Actually, you can kind of see inside. Water coming in. Let's walk along the Pacific Ocean and look at those sea otters over there. Bum, 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 bum. There is a cove over there with my mommy. Bum, 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 bum. If you listen carefully, you can hear the sea otters. Let me zoom up. See, you can see his head coming out. Over here. Loud. I'm coming. Where'd he go? He's right at the very front. He's right at the very... Kind of looks like a dog. He's going. So these are just sea otters that swim around in the Pacific Ocean. gonna follow him to the shore somewhere here. There he goes. Dun dun! Dun 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 dun. Let's look around. It's quite slippery. Just got wet. If you come at night, actually, I think this goes in. Look, it's like little holes, and you have to jump over them. Actually, at night, I think the water tides go all the way up over there. Look, if you look inside, there's in these potholes, there's actually shells or conches, whatever they're called. Oh, got my shoe wet. Look, and it's just like natural carvings of you can't see because the shade, but if you look, it just carves down the middle. Cool, eh? Your whole body is going to be exposed because this water is so shallow suddenly. Oh, this wave is coming. Let's walk around and swim away. La 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 la. Ooh. So we're off to see more sea otters on the other side. There's a bunch of black birds like perched everywhere. We're gonna see if there's sea otters. Actually, I see them right here. Just perched on the rock, chillaxing. Look at how many blackbirds there are though. Dun, 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 dun. You can hear sea otters everywhere. They're like the loudest things in the world. We have now arrived. Actually, we can see little lazy beings just perched on top, relaxing, little flat bodies over there. Ooh. Swimmers on a cold, chilly morning in La Jolla Cove, swimming around with sea lions, not otters, sea lions. Here we are at the Balboa Park. It's one of the largest parks in San Diego. There's a fountain and the guy playing saxophone. And if you look far, far away, there's a cathedral-looking structure that we're heading towards, so we will see what that is about. This is a botanical building. Maybe we can go inside. We'll see. We are inside a botanical garden. It produces acids and enzymes. Do not touch or it will eat you alive. Here we are at the botanical garden. This plant is from Australia. It's called the Placerium superbum. I don't know if you can see. Dun, 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 dun. It's like a giant lettuce. Inside the park, it echoes so much. Hello! Oh no, it doesn't echo. Never mind. Ha 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 ha. You can go that way, I just say. Very Spanish. So there's lots of museums in the Balboa Park. As you can see, there's this entranceway that's great. And I want to show you this colorful dome, that museum. I don't know if you can see, but it's quite colorful and pretty. So it was an interesting visit at the Balboa Park. Yeah, not much to be done, but we're gonna go back and do other things. Nice view. I like the palm tree. Palm trees are my favorite. So look, this part kind of reminds me of like Europe, like Florence. Doesn't it kind of remind you of that? All those structures and the facade of everything. It's quite cool. So yeah. We are now entering the Spanish village. I think they just sell little things everywhere. It's like cultural. If you look at the trees, there's presents and things hanging. And look at the floors. They're all colored tiles. Palm tree, palm tree, palm tree. So this is really quiet. It's like a small place that just sells things, and you can just go in and visit different centers. It kind of reminds me of Grenada. But yes, look, there's a lady dancing. That over there is the Mexican border. Cannot cross. Border patrol car. This is the place where Emino filmed his The Heirs. This is where he sat as he was walking with his future fiance over there. And there were palm trees. Dun 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 dun. This is the pancake place, but if you look, it actually says famous steaks, choice seafood, and exotic drinks. But they were eating pancakes, which is weird. It's a famous pancake place, they said. And we're sitting over there and there. And then he got yelled at. We finally arrived at Santa Monica Beach. Today is the day that we leave, unfortunately. Here is the pier over there. We're just about to go. Quiet morning, very early, so it's quite chilly out, but look. Dun, 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 dun. Remnants of the height of snow that came. I will show you from the side. This much. Your foot can go in here.